Dear students, today we discuss about the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. First, we have to see the preparation of haloalkanes. Haloalkanes were prepared by using some methods. Okay, one from alcohols. Second method is from alkanes. Third method is from alkenes. Fourth method is halogen exchange method. By using these four methods, we will prepare the haloalkanes. First method is from alcohols. Already we know OH functional group containing molecules are called as alcohols. Okay, take alcohol. ROH we called as alcohol. When alcohol reacts with hydrochloric acid, in the presence of zinc chloride, it gives water molecule and forms alkyl chloride. For example, take methyl alcohol reacts with hydrochloric acid in the presence of same zinc chloride. Okay, here methyl chloride or chloromethane was formed. This is the one method for the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohols. Then second one, when alcohol reacts with sodium bromide in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. When alcohol reacts with sodium bromide in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid, then also forms alkyl bromide. Okay, alkyl bromide and sodium bisulfate along with the water. Okay, here you take ethyl chloride, ethyl alcohol reacts with sodium bromide, okay, in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid, forms ethyl bromide. When ethyl alcohol reacts with sodium bromide in the presence of concentrate sulfuric acid, forms ethyl bromide. And another one, when alcohol reacts with phosphorus trichloride, okay, and forms alkyl halides. Here you take the 3 moles of alcohol reacts with PCl3 and forms 3 moles of alkyl halide along with the H3PO3. Phosphoric acid was formed. Okay, phosphoric acid was formed. For example, you take ethyl alcohol reacts with PCl3, phosphorus trichloride, forms 3 moles of ethyl chloride along with the phosphoric acid. This is the preparation of alkyl chlorides from the alcohols. Okay. Fourth one, when alcohol reacts with phosphorus pentachloride. వస్తుంది కదా, రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది దానికి మీకు. When alcohol reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, forms alkyl chloride along with the POCl3. Okay, along with the POCl3 and hydrochloric acid was formed. Okay, here you take methyl alcohol reacts with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, okay, forms methyl chloride, okay, phosphonyl chloride, POCl3 means phosphonyl chloride along with the hydrochloric acid. Okay, and one more, okay, alcohol, when alcohol reacts with red phosphorus and iodine, red phosphorus and iodine, okay, or bromine, red phosphorus, iodine or bromine, and forms alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide, alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide. Okay, these are the methods for the preparation of alkyl halides or haloalkanes from the alcohols. One, from alcohols are reacts with hydrochloric acid, okay, in presence of zinc chloride. Second one, alcohols are reacts with sodium bromide in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid, forms alkyl bromides. When alcohol reacts with PCl3, forms alkyl chloride. When alcohols are reacts with PCl5 and alkyl halides are formed. When alcohols are reacts with red phosphorus, okay, iodine or bromine, and forms alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide. Next, when alcohols reacts with thionyl chloride, SOCl2, we called as thionyl chloride. Okay, here also forms alkyl chloride, and here sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid. When alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride, thionyl chloride means SOCl2, we called as thionyl chloride, forms alkyl chlorides and sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid. Okay, these methods are used for the preparation of alkyl halides from the alcohols. Then we have to see the second method from alkanes. Alkyl halides are prepared from alkanes by using Friedel-Crafts substitution reaction. By using free radical substitution reaction. Okay, here we have discussed about the second method, preparation of alkyl halides from alkanes. Okay, when methane reacts with chlorine in the presence of sunlight, okay, this reaction takes place by the free radical substitution reaction. When methane reacts with chlorine and forms methyl chloride along with the hydrochloric acid. Okay, here when ethane reacts with chlorine or bromine, okay, when ethane reacts with chlorine or bromine and forms ethyl chloride along with the hydrochloric acid. When, for example, if you take propane, when propane reacts with bromine or chlorine in the presence of sunlight, here we get the two types of compounds. This molecule has two types of hydrogens, so we will get the two types of haloalkanes. And isomeric alkanes were formed here. Okay, isomeric alkanes were formed. For example, this hydrogen is replaced with chlorine or bromine and forms 2-bromopropane. Okay, if this hydrogen replaced with the bromine, and we get the CH3, CH2, CH2, Br. This is the 2-bromopropane. This is the 1-bromopropane. 1-bromopropane and 2-bromopropanes are formed. These two are, okay, isomeric alkyl halides. Okay, if alkane contain three types of hydrogens, we get the three types of alkyl halides. Okay, this is about the second method for the preparation of alkyl haloalkanes, okay, from the alkanes. Okay, third method. Okay, third method, preparation of haloalkanes from the alkenes. Already we know about the preparation of alkyl halides from the alkenes in first PUC. Okay, by the addition reaction we will prepare the alkyl halides from the alkenes. One is addition with hydrobromic acid or hydrochloric acid. When alkene addition with hydrobromic acid or hydrochloric acid, okay, in the presence of carbon tetrachloride, or in the presence of peroxide sunlight, okay, we will get the various types of alkyl halide, okay, based on the Markovnikov's rule and anti-Markovnikov's rule. For example, okay, we'll take simple molecule. First alkene, ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, we called as ethene. When ethene reacts with addition with hydrobromic acid, okay, here hydrogen added here, bromine was added here, and we'll get one simple molecule CH3 CH2 Br, ethyl bromide. This is the one symmetrical alkene. Ethene is symmetrical alkene, so we get one molecule. Okay, we get the one molecule by the addition with HBr. Okay, if you take unsymmetrical alkene, the example for unsymmetrical alkene is 1-propene. This is the 1-propene. 1-propene is unsymmetrical alkene. This unsymmetrical alkene addition with HBr, okay, in the presence of carbon tetrachloride or hydrogen peroxide, carbon tetrachloride or hydrogen peroxide. If you use carbon tetrachloride, this reaction proceeds through Markovnikov's rule. If you use hydrogen peroxide, this reaction proceeds through anti-Markovnikov's rule, that we called as a peroxide effects or Secchef rule. Peroxide effect or Crash effect. Okay, here we'll get two types of compounds. One time hydrogen added here, bromine added here. Next time bromine added here, hydrogen was added here. Then we'll get two molecules. Okay, here CH2 Br, and here CH3 Br CH3. Okay, two compounds, one bromopropane and two bromopropane. Two compounds were formed here based on the Markovnikov's rule. Two bromopropane is major product, one bromopropane is minor product. Based on the anti-Markovnikov's rule or Crash effect or peroxide effect, one bromopropane is major product and two bromopropane is minor product. Okay, this is about the preparation of alkene. Okay, preparation of alkyl halides from the alkenes by the addition with HBr or HCl. Then addition with bromine, direct halogen. Addition with direct halogen. Then you just take alkene, add bromine. Okay, in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. Okay, bromine, two bromine atoms are added at first carbon, one bromine atom added at first carbon, second bromine atom was added at second carbon, and forms this molecule. This is the vicinal halide. 1,2 dibromo. 1,2 dibromoethane. This is the dihalo compound, and this is the vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide means if two halogen atoms are present on two adjacent carbon atom, we called as vicinal dihalides. Gem dihalide means one more type of halides are there, dihalides. Gem dihalide means two halogen atoms are present on one carbon atom, we called as a gem dihalides. These are the preparations of haloalkanes. Preparations of haloalkanes from alkanes and alkenes. Alkanes and alkenes. And final method is halogen exchange method. Okay, by using halogen exchange method, we will prepare the alkyl iodides, alkyl bromides, and alkyl fluorides. Okay. First, we will prepare the alkyl iodides. Halogen exchange method. Okay. Fourth method is halogen exchange method. Halogen exchange method. Okay, by using halogen exchange method, we will prepare the alkyl iodides, alkyl fluorides, and alkyl bromides. Okay, first method is Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction. Okay, this is the one important reaction. By using this Finkelstein reaction, we have to prepare alkyl iodide from the alkyl chloride and alkyl bromides. When alkyl halide, that means here X may be chlorine or it may be bromine. When alkyl halide reacts with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone, okay, it loses sodium halide and forms alkyl iodide iodides. Finkelstein reaction. This is used for the preparation of alkyl iodides. What is this reaction? Okay, when alkyl halide means here chloride or maybe bromide, reacts with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone, forms alkyl iodide. This is we called as Finkelstein reaction. Then, okay, alkyl fluorides are prepared by using Schwarz reaction. Okay, alkyl fluorides were prepared by using Schwarz reaction. RF we called as alkyl fluoride are prepared by using this Schwarz reaction. What is the Schwarz reaction? Okay, take alkyl chloride. Alkyl chlorides are reacts with silver fluoride or mercurous fluoride or antimony trifluoride. Any one of the compound, any alkyl chloride reacts with silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, antimony fluoride, okay, and heat and forms alkyl fluorides along with the AgCl or Hg2Cl2 or SbCl3. Alkyl fluorides are prepared by using Schwarz reaction. What is the Schwarz reaction? When alkyl chloride reacts with AgF, okay, Hg2F2, SbF3 and forms alkyl fluorides. And alkyl bromides are prepared by using Hunsdecker reaction. This Hunsdecker reaction used for the preparation of alkyl bromides. When okay, how the alkyl bromides were prepared? Okay, by using this Hunsdecker reaction. Okay, silver carboxylate or COOAg, we called as silver carboxylate. This silver carboxylate reacts with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride, forms alkyl bromide. What is the Hunsdecker reaction? When silver carboxylate reacts with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride forms alkyl bromide, carbon dioxide and silver bromide. These are the important reaction, three important reaction. One is Finkelstein reaction, Schwarz reaction and here Hans-Decker reaction. Finkelstein reaction used for the preparation of alkyl iodides. Okay. Schwarz reaction used for the preparation of alkyl fluorides and Hans-Decker reaction used for the preparation of alkyl bromides. These four methods are used for the preparation of haloalkanes. Then we have to see the preparation of haloarenes. Preparation of haloarenes. Haloarenes were prepared by using different reactions. In that way, two important methods are there. One is from the benzene and second one is from the benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, next preparation of haloarenes. Haloarenes means chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. These are the simply called as a fluorobenzene. These are simply called as a haloarenes. These are prepared by using benzene diazonium chloride. First method is from benzene. Benzene involves in electrophilic substitution reaction with the halogen atom and form the halobenzene. For example, you take the benzene and take the halogen. Halogen, it may be chlorine, it may be bromine and it may be iodine. Here we can't take the fluorine. Why? Fluorine is more reactive. We can't prepare the fluorobenzene direct reaction between benzene and fluorine. Due to the more reactivity of fluorine. Here we are preparing only chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzene. When benzene reacts with halogen in the presence of ferric halide, Lewis acid, and forms halobenzene. And forms halobenzene. For example, if you take toluene, this benzene with CH3 we called as a toluene or methyl benzene. Toluene or methyl benzene reacts with any one of chlorine or any one of halogen in the presence of ferric chloride. Forms orthochlorotoluene and parachlorotoluene. This is the orthochlorotoluene and this is parachlorotoluene. Why ortho and parachlorotoluenes are formed instead of meta? Here methyl group is electron donating group. And positive mesomeric effect group. Ortho para directing group. This is the ring activating group. This is the ring activating group. So incoming electrophile attacks at ortho and para position. And here this group increases electron density at ortho and para position. So this methyl group we called as a ortho para directing group. If you take phenol, we'll get same molecule, orthochlorophenol and parachlorophenol. This is about the one method for the preparation of the haloarenes. Second method, Sandmeyer reaction. By using Sandmeyer reaction, we'll prepare the alkyl. By using Sandmeyer reaction, we will prepare the haloarenes, bromobenzene, chlorobenzene and iodobenzene along with the fluorobenzene. Here first one, how we are preparing the chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene by using Sandmeyer reaction. Here chlorobenzene was prepared by using Sandmeyer reaction from the benzene diazonium chloride. What is the benzene diazonium chloride? Benzene with nitrogen and chlorine chloride we called as a benzene diazonium chloride. How this benzene diazonium chloride was prepared? Benzene diazonium chloride prepared from aniline. It is prepared from aniline. Aniline means benzene with NH2 group we called as aniline. Benzene with NH2 group we called as aniline. Aniline reacts with sodium nitrite NaNO2 we called as sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. Okay, at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade temperature. 0 to 5 degrees centigrade temperature. In Kelvin we call 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. Okay, and forms yellow color liquid. That yellow color liquid we called as benzene diazonium chloride. This is the yellow color liquid. Yellow color liquid we called as benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene with N2 and Cl we called as benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, by using this benzene diazonium chloride, okay, we'll prepare the haloarenes, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, and iodobenzene and fluorobenzene. Okay, see those reactions in continuation. Okay, take benzene diazonium chloride. Take benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with Cu2Cl2, cuprous chloride. Okay, benzene diazonium chloride reacts with Cu2Cl2, cuprous chloride, and forms chlorobenzene. Okay, and forms chlorobenzene along with the copper. Okay, and chlorine. Okay, here we will get the chlorobenzene. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with cuprous bromide, Cu2Br2, cuprous bromide, and here we will get the bromobenzene. Here also same Br2. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with potassium iodide in a one part. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with potassium iodide, okay, in a one part and shake for 10 to 15 minutes, and finally we get the iodobenzene. Finally we get the iodobenzene along with the N2 and here potassium chloride. Okay, these three reactions are called Sandmeyer reaction. One, benzene diazonium chloride reacts with cuprous chloride, forms chlorobenzene. Okay, cuprous bromide forms bromobenzene, and potassium iodide forms iodobenzene. Okay, one more special reaction is there. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with HbF4 hydroborotetrafluoride, okay, and forms fluorobenzene. Benzene with fluorine we called as a fluorobenzene. This reaction we called as Schumann reaction. Remaining these three reactions, first three reactions are called Sandmeyer reaction. Final reaction, preparation of fluorobenzene reaction, we called as Schumann reaction. One is, what is the Schumann reaction? Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with hydroborotetrafluoride and form the fluorobenzene. This we called as Schumann reaction. All these are the methods for the preparation of the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Thank you.